Very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see what is the deep learning model, AI versus ML and deep learning. Okay, three terms are same or different between them. In this video we are going to see understand the AI, ML and deep learning from the basics with the simple example, real world application and important comparison about the examinations. Okay. Welcome to Fast Track channel. Learn and practice, revise, succeed. Okay, this is the part of our complete deep learning series where we have moved from as the fundamental to advanced concept, practical implementation, and projects and exam preparations. Okay, if you are students to learn about AI and ML and deep learning, if you want to complete step-by-step learning series with theory and examples and Python implementation, practical demonstrations and exam-oriented questions, subscribe my Fast Track Exam channel. Okay, let we go to this the deep learning journey. Okay, first of all you have to go there. First you have to understand from as the AI technique. Second you have to understand about the ML. Third you go from understand about the deep learning model. Then we have to compare from as AI ML deep learning, understand how they work, look at the real world problem, advantage, limitations. Finally we have revised by the important examination questions. Okay, let's start from as the AI, or you will say about the as the artificial intelligence. AI is that is a broad field of that is creating the computer system for as machine that have to be can perform that is the normally required from the human engines. Okay, then having the for example system make from as decision based on from as available informations. Okay, first of all compromise the decision makings are the system make from a decision based on from the available information. Image and speech recognition are available. The for example, recognize the face or having the understanding the spoken language. NLPs are there. For example, understanding the human language to the human language in the chatbot. Problem solving. Okay, problem solving and AI system solved by the complex problem. A simple example: when we asked the voice assistant of the question, if they understand your speech, then providing the answer. Artificial intelligence techniques is involved. Techniques is involved. The example when I want to see the particular thing is a cat. Okay, when I want system AI system want to understand that is the process prediction by the cat. Okay, how they want to predict now based on as the feature of that is the image. Feature of the image. Okay, what is the machine learning are there? Let move to this hardware intelligent to the machine learning. The machine learning is subset of the AI. Instead of writing the rules and every cases, we will data we give the data about the let machine learning patterns. Okay, machine learning pattern. We have in this example spam mail detections or not, spam mail detection or not. Okay, when I go from a spam mail, we have in the data is there, data from the data train data is available, machine learning algorithms are there, ML model is there, new mail come, whether it is a spam or not. That is an example about spam mail. How the process be done? Data plus output labels are given as example. Learning algorithms are their training model. After that is having our model is the trained model. You want to use the particular new data will be given. The prediction will be done. What is deep learning started? When I suppose we have to identify as a spam mail, it is having this is one example I put it is a machine learning model. When I go to this now we come to the main topic about the our series of the deep learning. Deep learning, it is having the subset of that is a machine learning and used from as ANN artificial neural network with having this a multiple layer. Learn the complex pattern from as a large amount data. Large amount data. I can see now here is the first outer layer be AI, so middle one is the machine learning. From next one having deep learning are there. What are the examples are about the deep learning? Image classification, face recognition, speech recognition, NLP and object detection recommended system, autonomous vehicle generative AI. When I compare from as a glance, AI is a technology. Simply meaning that making that is a machine learning, machine intelligence. ML having the machine learning. The machine learn the pattern from the data. Deep learning is a neural network learn the complex pattern. Traditional programming language is having the machine learning language. Traditional programming language rules and data is available converted into the program converting the output for that. This means that if temperature greater than equal to 30, then it is hot. That is having the one conditions are there. When I compare the machine learning model, data and expert outputs are given. ML model is there, ML algorithms are there, model new data will be given. The based on the new data enabled predictions are done. Okay, when I cover how the deep learning is work simplified. Having that is the input layers are available, output layers are available, hidden layer. In having that is a neural network, having the hidden layers are available. We want to reduce the number of iteration through from that is the other model. We have to apply from as the hidden layers are more, accuracy will be as increased. So automatically give from as the example of the image classification. Image is given by the one cat image divided into the pixel. Okay, each and every pixel having the features are available. Features are available. From the features are matched from as it is the data sets. Okay, able to predict from as the cat or dog. The government unit will be there. Feature selections are done. We have to predicting from as whether it is having it is a cat or dog. Okay, real world application as a face recognition system and voice assistance will be there, and also autonomous vehicle is the object and road sign detections are available. Healthcare is a medicine medical image analysis and disease analysis. E-commerce having the product recommendations, and YouTube stream having the content recommendations are there. Generative AI having this text, video, and audio generations are there. Agriculture having there is a plant disease and crop analysis are there. Advantage nothing about it is the learn from as the complex pattern automatically. Work with the work we have to from as large data sets. Okay, excellent from as image speech and NLP task. Reduce from as the user manual feature engineering. Okay, achieved by the high performance from as many tasks. Limit is required large amount data are required. Need from a high end computing resources are required. Training we can use from a significant time. Model are difficult to be intercept, and performance depending upon the data quality, and hyperparameter selection is challengeable. Okay, quick comparison between as exam revisions AI. Okay, AI nothing but artificial intelligence. The broad field of that is making the machines perform that is an intelligent task. But ML having subset of AI, the machine learning is the pattern from the data. Deep learning is a subset of ML based on from as a multi-layer network model. It means that when there is a deep learning is that is a irreverence. AI is the big umbrella. ML is the inside from the AI, and deep learning is the inside from as it is the ML. Okay, we having the two more questions are available. Explain two more question. Define having the AI model. Define AI. Define what is a machine learning. Define deep learning model. What is neural network? Difference between comparison between the AI and ML deep learning model. Like government as the five mark question. Explain from as the explain the relationship between the AI and machine learning and deep learning model with suitable example, suitable diagram. Okay, maybe 15 mark question may be expecting from that. All explain the all the concept AI and ML and deep learning. Discuss the difference and application advantage limitation with suitable example. Okay, that is from as the AI. Finally, I mean the key points are the AI is the broad field of that is intelligent machines. ML is subset of that is the AL. DL is subset of the ML. Deep learning is the user of the multi-layer perceptron model. Deep learning is the wide use from as a vision and speech recognition system. Next video we go come from the next series. I mean there is the artificial neural networks are there. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel.